innate, okay, innate or connatural disabilities ng mga sponsors. Archbishop Bernard D. Isabel, ito naman sagot niya, basahin natin. The Filipino priest labors under the following innate defects: extreme shallow-mindedness, uncontrolled propensity to drunkenness, gambling, and the vices of the flesh, lack of aptitude for study or training, subordination of priestly dignity to the enrichment of his own family, no desire for self-denial or mercy. So these are judgments, okay, imposed on us by the Spanish clergy. And that was 1900. At ang kanilang prediction, wala nang matitira sa mga Pilipino. Okay? Because of our innate incapacity for that state of life. Okay? And in history, we have a saying, history is prophecy. Okay? Ngayon, nagkatotoo ba yung kanilang prophecy? Hindi. Kasi sinabi ko pa rin tayo, di ba? But, the defects which they saw in the Filipino priest existed in 1900. Do these